In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shaped video on your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to add a unique and visually appealing element to your site, capturing your visitors' attention right from the get-go. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, head over to your Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the option to add an element. This is typically found in the left-hand menu of your Wix workspace. Click on Add Elements, and a drop-down menu will appear, showing various options that you can add to your page. Now we want to focus on something a little different, finding the video mask option. Scroll through the list of elements until you find the section labeled Decorative. If you can't find it immediately, take your time to explore the categories available. Under this decorative section, you'll see the Video Masks option. These masks are what allow you to create those fantastic shaped video effects. With the video masks open, you'll see a variety of shapes to choose from. Take a minute to browse through the options. There might be squares, circles, stars, or even custom shapes. Choose the shape that aligns best with your website's design and theme. Once you've selected your desired shape, simply drag it onto your web page. You'll notice it snaps right into place on your design canvas. Here's where we really bring your page to life. Click on the shape you've just added. You'll notice some editing options pop up. One of these options will be to change the video. When you click this, a new window will open, giving you two main choices for adding a video to your new shape. You can either upload your own video, perfect if you have specific content you want to showcase, or you can explore and select from Wix's library of free, high-quality videos. If you choose to upload your own, make sure it's in a format that Wix supports, and remember, shorter videos tend to work better for site loading times and keeping your audience engaged. Once you've selected your video, it will seamlessly integrate into the shape you chose. Take a moment to preview your page to make sure everything is appearing as you intended. Adjust the alignment and the size of the video if necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shaped video for your Wix website. These steps not only add flair, but also provide a dynamic element that can significantly enhance the overall visitor experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more creative ideas to elevate your website presence.